Hey guys, season's greetings from me to you. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing perfectly well and I hope you are enjoying the season already. I hope everything is going fine around you and in your household. So I just want to let you all know that God is still in the game of doing wonders. So whatever it is, don't worry. God of 11th hour is ready to assist you, okay? So guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. So in today's video, I just want to show you guys how I made this delicious egusi soup for 50 persons, but it was a lot, like more than 50 persons, but this was meant for 50 persons. Okay, so this palm oil I'm using, see guys, you already know me that I always like using good palm oil, but you see this particular one, it was given to me by the client, so there was little to nothing I could do and I had to use it. Oh, but you can see for yourself that this palm oil wasn't given at all. But yeah, let's work with it. Okay, so in my pot I already had the palm oil. I added some iru, I added the locust beans. I allowed that to simmer for some minutes. Then I added my pepper mix. This pepper mix consists of scotch bonnet and shobo. Okay, so I've added that and I'm going to allow it for a bit. So now I'm adding my melon paste. This melon, I use 1 Congo of melon seeds. I blended with what's it called, uziza seed and okpei, and yeah, I just put in a bowl, added water to make a paste, and I diced some onions in there, like 2 balls of onions. So I'm just going to add this to the oil mix and fry this. Okay, so you know how it goes when you fry your egusi. My own motive of frying egusi is really not to get the seedy, like to make it look like egg or anything. In this process, the reason I'm frying it is so that it lasts long, because I'm going to be packing it in a cooler, and yeah, I don't want it to get sour or not to last till they will eat it. Okay, so that's the reason I'm frying today's own, because the people I'm making it for, they don't really fancy the kind of egg texture egusi, but I'm just going through this process because I want it to last till they will eat it. Okay, so yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, and yeah, season's greetings once again. Have a blessed day.
My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me from my area. Now I'm here to the guys.